Hey guys, Bubbles here. I'm gonna do a little quick video of this taste testing of Peppermint Mocha. So I got holiday version and it's hot. I think it's like peppermint hot chocolate, peppermint mocha hot chocolate, probably. Yeah. So let's get on to the taste testing. There's so much flavor of peppermint. I'll get this again. I like it hot. I've seen some YouTube videos which people are saying that hot of peppermint mocha is way better than cold. So I'll give this a 10 out of 10. I love the packaging, the cup. Maybe I'll keep the cup, maybe, I don't know. But I suggest you would try this. I recommend it so much that I'm gonna get it again. And right now, I'm gonna do my last final exam, so wish me good luck. And I love Starbucks, so give a like, subscribe, comment down below what other videos I should do. Thank you, Bubbles. I love it, Bubbles, and bye, Bubbles.